Hello guys, today thanks to Valerio for the truffle, for the recipe, we will make a lardo mantecato al tartufo, that is a lard with truffle. Sorry, I don't know the real name in English. Spectacular. So for this recipe you need a piece of lard or guanciale, homemade, even better. I have no time moving like this to age a piece of meat like this, so I bought it. The lard that I see was not so nice, so I decided to use the guanciale, even better. So we need only the fatty part. So 100 grams of lard cut in cubes we put in the mixer, and 43 grams of truffle, because Valerio told me 70% of lard and 30% of truffle. Ready? Now I put in a glass jar like this. You can store in the fridge for 1 week. If you want to keep longer, in the refrigerator. Valerio told me that is spectacular, or even more. We say una bomba, like the name of the dog, like a bomb. If you eat on the focaccia bread, I post already the video about the focaccia bread. Sorry guys, today I have no time to prepare also the focaccia. So I will test on a slice of bread, maybe with a glass of wine or with a beer. Let's see. Spectacular, super creamy. You can taste the truffle, and with this salt on the top, really spectacular. Thank you Valerio for the truffle. Thank you Bomba that you find it. Thank you guys for watching and sharing this video with your friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If you have some requests, some advice about the truffle, about the beer, I already tested before, with a cold beer directly from the tap, and this creamy truffle taste, spectacular. Bye bye.